All right, so here is another look. This is no particular order, but here is another outfit report on this. This is honestly very similar to the coat that I did for the color combination with the wine color, the wine red color jacket. It is the same thing, but this is more black. This is very expected because black is just a given color to wear with any and everything. But I definitely would like to summarize. I honestly don't want to say this is a look, but depending on where you are in the world, like if you're in the New York, New Jersey area, the coat can sometimes be the outfit because you're keeping your coat on and then you only see the bottom part. But if I had to summarize this look, I'm gonna have to say this is the Northeast aesthetic. The Northeast, yeah, the Northeast of the United States aesthetics. The black with the pants. This look is just so simple. I mean, I can't really grasp, but yeah, that's what I would say. This is the Northeast type of aesthetic when it comes to summarizing this look. So why does this work? Because black goes with anything. And on top of that, you have a cheat code when it comes to your outfit. You have your jacket on, and the jacket is doing what it does. And for this one, this woman has this nice statement necklace on. So that kind of just livens it up a little bit, not too much, depending on the type of woman you are. Maybe you don't like a lot of noise, or maybe you don't like wearing accessories. You like to kind of keep it light. It just all depends on you. And then her pants are just very simple. It's the total opposite color. It does a great job with the contrast with black. And then with her sleeves, it got this functionality going on, which is oh, look at this coat. So she kind of keeping it low key, and this is why it works. Now, can you wear this for work or personal? Of course. There's nothing too outlandish when it comes to this look. It just has a simple black coat. There's nothing that is, that has like a label on it or that's too flashy. And as far as the pants, it looks like just simple beige pants. There's nothing disparaging. And then if you're going to work, you're only wearing the coat for a couple of seconds and then you're taking it off. So there's nothing wrong there. And then if you're wearing it personally, I mean, there's so much that you can add. So you can wear this for both. Now, my styling notes for this look. There is a few things that I would personally do. I am someone who loves accessories and colors, but this particular one, I would make sure that the coat is tailored to my body shape. This jacket looks a little big and baggy in the way that has those small intricate details with like the buttons, the metal, and then you have that A-line belt. I would honestly have this coat really fit like a glove on my body. Or a person's body. That is my styling note. When it comes to everything else, I mean, there's just so much that you could play with. The oyster is yours when it comes to styling black, but my personal styling note is to definitely have this coat tailored to really just fit and snug over my body like it graces. So I hope that was helpful. So let's dive into the analytics for this jacket. This jacket also was not a part of the upper portion of the 60 days of the analytics, but here is the impressions. And then here, the pin clicks as well. So it's definitely getting some traction, of course, because you know, the temperature is definitely starting to drop and people are trying to find inspiration and ideas. And shout outs to the people who are stopping by our board. So we have someone else who has been adding it to their own board. And also we definitely have another person, hey girl, who comment on it, even though it's a bunch of emojis, but we still appreciate you, that really like this. So definitely come on by to our profile. We definitely continue and drop things often.